Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. This question is about polygons and it's a slightly tricky question. Slightly tricky questions, I'm going to mark them on the thumbnail with a, like a sign of a chili. So you can see it's a slightly harder question than the others. So if you are interested in choosing those questions and doing them, you could do that. Otherwise, generally doing them in order and keeping a record is the best way to do this. So pause the video, give it a try. The interior angle of a regular polygon is n times the size of its exterior angle. So the idea is, so let's say we have an angle like this, and this is the exterior angle if you just extend it. Now, if this is xn, this is the exterior angle. Interior angle is obviously nx. So this is how it is done. Show that the number of sides of the polygon is 2 bracket n add 1. Now let's see how to do this. Now we know the sum of this yellow angle and the pink angle is 180, obviously, because angles on a straight line add up to 180. So let's do that. Nx add x is equal to 180. Now I need to find the size of an exterior angle, which is x. So obviously I can see I can factorize the x out. So let's get x out here. So x bracket n add 1, because x times n, nx, x times 1, x is equal to 180. So I can divide both sides by n add 1, n add 1 on this side as well. So I can see these two definitely get cancelled out. So I get x is equal to 180 divided by n add 1. Now, the next thing you need to understand is that the sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. One exterior angle is 180 over n add 1. Now I need to find the number of exterior angles, which is equal to the number of sides. So to do that, what we need to do is divide 360 by 180 over n add 1. Now I can apply keep, flip, change. So 360 divided by this fraction is the same as multiplying it by the reciprocal of this fraction, like that. Now I can clearly see 360 divided by 180 is 2. So 2 bracket n add 1 is the number of sides, and that's what exactly the question is asking us to show. It's a good question. Part B. The polygon has fewer than 50 sides. Okay, so we know the number of sides is given by the expression 2 bracket n add 1. So it says the number of sides is less than 50. Oh, okay. So 2 bracket n add 1 is less than 50. Now this is simply solving an inequality. This is a combined question where you have a bit of polygons and inequalities in the same question. So obviously divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, cross cross. Then I get n add 1 on the left hand side. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Move it to the other side. Now n is less than 24. Why 24? 25 take away 1 is 24. So we know if this is the situation, the value of n is less than 24. Now, the question is really important here. The question is asking, what is the largest possible integer value of n? So we know n could be anything less than 24, but it cannot be equal to 24. Why? Because there's no equal sign. So it should be less than 24. So what is the biggest number, a whole number that is less than 24? That would be 23. So that is the final answer.